flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois until 12:15 p.m. At 9:11 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Chicago, Aurora, Naperville, Cicero, Evanston, Bolingbrook, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Wheaton, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, O'Hare Airport, Carroll Stream, and Romeoville. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
This is a test from the State of Idaho Emergency Alert System. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. This test was conducted from the Idaho State Communications Center in Meridian, Idaho, and is now concluded.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday and Saturday between 10 a.m. and 12 noon. When there is a threat of severe weather in the area, the test is postponed until the first good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary from place to place. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood watches, and for severe weather warnings affecting the following counties in the KIH 58 listening area. In Alabama, this includes Calhoun, Chambers, Cherokee, Clay, Cleburne, Coosa, Etowah, Jefferson, Randolph, St. Clair, Shelby, Talladega, and Tallapoosa counties. In Georgia, this includes Carroll County. This has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. We now return to our normal programming.
This is a NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice under National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test, and we now return to regular programming.